What happens when you violate parole for the first time on Long Island? Violating parole on Long Island can feel overwhelming. The system moves quickly, and even a missed check-in or curfew slip may trigger serious consequences. Allegations of a violation can bring a warrant, an arrest, and time back in custody. Deadlines are short, and every decision matters, so knowing your rights and the process is crucial. Parole is designed to help you re-enter the community with structure and support. When you are granted release, you agree to follow specific rules set by the parole board. These conditions may include checking in with a parole officer, avoiding weapons, submitting to drug testing, or attending treatment or counseling programs. Failing to comply with these terms, whether intentionally or by mistake, can result in a violation. The law makes clear distinctions in how parole violations are handled. Technical violations, such as missing an appointment or breaking curfew, are treated differently from new criminal charges. While technical violations can still bring penalties, a new arrest or conviction often bypasses the preliminary hearing stage. A new felony conviction can automatically revoke parole and result in a return to prison. Because these rules move fast, guidance from a lawyer who understands parole law is critical. If the title raises the question of what happens after a first violation, the answer depends on the type of violation. For some technical violations under New York's less is more reforms, the first or second offense may not involve any jail time at all. However, repeat technical violations can escalate to short periods of incarceration. More serious conduct, such as absconding from supervision or committing a new crime, carries greater risks, including longer jail terms or reinstatement of the original sentence. Parole revocation hearings are the formal process where these issues are decided. You have the right to a preliminary hearing within days of detention and a final hearing soon after. These hearings determine whether the violation occurred and what the consequences should be. The less is more reforms also require that hearings be held in the community rather than in jails, helping to make the process fairer and more transparent. Understanding parole is essential. It is a supervised release that allows you to serve part of your sentence outside prison. Its purpose is to help with rehabilitation, reduce recidivism, and support successful reintegration into society. Compliance with conditions shows commitment to positive change, while violations, whether technical or criminal, can threaten your freedom. Defenses and mitigating factors play a key role. Demonstrating innocence, lack of intent, or consistent compliance with most parole conditions can help. Presenting evidence of progress, such as steady employment, educational achievements, or community involvement, may also influence the outcome. In many cases, judges and parole officers consider these factors when deciding whether to impose penalties or allow continued supervision. The stakes are high. A first violation can result in anything from no jail time for certain technical issues to immediate reincarceration for new crimes. That is why working with an attorney can make a difference. A lawyer can assess your situation, challenge weak allegations, and present a strong defense. With experienced counsel, you can protect your rights and improve your chances of moving forward without unnecessary setbacks. Facing a parole violation is never easy, but you do not have to face it alone. The law offices of Jason Bassett, PC is located at 320 Carleton Avenue No. 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722. Call 631-259-6060 for guidance and defense tailored to your circumstances.